Okay, here's the open source cat feeder. Now, this is the battery backup solution, a video I want to make about that. So we have here 4 nickel metal hydride batteries, cells, AA's, and these are crummy ones. They're 600 milliamp hour capacity rated, but they were really cheap. Well, as cheap as they come anyway. They were still $7 for all 4, including tax and shipping. But you might be able to get them less somewhere else. And now it's plugged in. That's the bus goes to the battery's positive, ground just goes to the battery's ground. So it's just connected in parallel with the USB port. And I measured the amount of current going into the battery when the USB port is plugged in, and it's 80 milliamps. Now, the battery is probably not fully charged right now, so I still have to do some more testing to fully discharge the battery, see how long it lasts, and then charge it and see how much current it draws, because there's a possibility that it draws too much current when it's fully discharged. That could be a problem. If that's a problem, then I'll add a small resistor, like 1 ohm, in parallel with the battery, no, in series with the battery, just on the V-bus terminal there. And that will cause some voltage drop and therefore limit the current draw to some degree. But if let's see what happens when I unplug the USB port. Just unplug it. Everything is fine. The microcontroller doesn't glitch, takes over smoothly. So, and it has enough power to run the servo. I tested it to serve 1 scoop. Now, the servo has a stall current rating of 1 amp. It's probably drawing a lot less than that right now because the speed is not maximal speed, but I didn't measure it. But these batteries shouldn't have any problem supplying an amp of power. The only problem I really anticipate is that they might draw too much current from the USB port.